Namaste, I'm Archana. In today's session, we're going to work on the grounding energies and we're going to cultivate this in our practice. So at the end of the session, you're going to feel stable, strong, centered, grounded in all that you do. So we're going to begin this session by coming to lying down on the mat. Slowly roll down. Legs are wide. Legs flop to the side, hands come to rest next to you, palms facing the ceiling. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Completely exhale through your mouth. This time, as you breathe in, just imagine you're drawing all this energy from the earth beneath you. And exhale. Letting your whole body go heavy on the mat. Slowly open your eyes, bend your knees, hug your knees towards your chest, letting your lower back press into the mat. Breathe in and breathe out. Arms like the letter T. Drop your knees to your right. Inhale. As you exhale, turn and look towards your left. Stay there for another breath. Come back to center. This time, drop your legs to the other side. Turn and look towards your right fingertips. Breathe in as you breathe out, just relaxing your body to let your legs sink further towards the left side. Hug your knees, slowly come up to rolling. Drop your knees to either side. Reach your hands forward, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your foot. As you breathe in, create length. Breathe out, collapse further. Slowly come up. Adjust if you need to adjust. Straighten your right leg. Bend your left knee and stack it over your right knee. A left heel is towards your right hip. Now the other leg. So you're trying to stack one knee over the other. Sit tall. Now whichever leg is on top, reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Breath in, create length in your spine. Relax your shoulders as you breathe out. One more breath in. As you breathe out, bend, drop it, the space between your shoulders. Now, take your right hand, turn the palms away from you. Roll your shoulders, shoulder blades towards the midline. Bring it at your waist, and if you can, take it and try and see to touch your fingertips. At no point are you bending your chin. Look up. It doesn't matter if it doesn't touch. Interlace your fingers, pull and breathe in. Very slowly exhale through your mouth to relax all your muscles. Inhale, create length. Exhale, release. With your left, you're trying to hold your right shoulder blade with your right left shoulder blade. Drop your chin to chest. Trying to bring your elbows towards your knee. Breathe in. Breathe out, or if this is uncomfortable, just stay here. Drop your chin towards your chest. Release. Now with your right hand, hug your left knee, turn and twist. See if you can bring your toes in line with your knees. If you can, hook that elbow on the outside. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more breath in. And out. Release. Straighten the left leg. The right leg. Left heel towards your groin. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, Janu Shirshasana, fold forward. Reaching your palms towards your heel. Take it as far ahead as you can. Bend your elbows, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knees. As you breathe in, create length. As you breathe out, sink further into the pose. Now bring your gaze towards your toes. Walk your hands back and slowly roll up. Very important that, especially when you're holding your pose for long, important that you slowly come back. Straighten the left leg, right leg as wide as you can. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, forward. Arms in line with your ears. Breathe in, breathe out. If there's too much of a stress on the inside of your knee, you can always keep your knees slightly bent. Slowly, you're going to roll up, come up, bring both your legs together. Inhale, up, exhale, Paschimottanasana, chin to chest, forehead to knee. Stay here for 2 or 3 breaths. Letting your legs feel completely supported by the ground. Inhale, up, exhale, drop your hands down. Now, what we're going to do is bend our right knee, stack it over the left. Left heel comes on the outside of your right hip. Now the leg that's on top, we're going to reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, lengthen. As you breathe out, drop it to the inside of your the space between your shoulder blades. Now, stretch that left hand, palms turning out. Bend at the elbow. One hand may feel different than the other. And gaze forward. And one, release. With your left, grab hold of your knee, turn and twist. If this is comfortable, see that your seat is not lifting up, pressing that into the earth. You can always hook your elbow on the outside and turn and look. See that you're not leaning back, you're not raising your shoulders, shoulders relaxed. 2 and 1. Release your left leg, right heel comes towards your groin. Sit tall, breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, forward fold, Janu Shirshasana. Chin to chest, forehead to knee. Remember, you can stay up here, still get all the benefits of the pose. It can be high up here, So it's really important that you listen to your body. Roll up. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Reach your hands forward. But the Konasana, I'm not bringing my heel close. Trying to maintain a little bit of gap. You can see the color of your mat between your legs and thighs. Reach. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, just letting go of any tightness, any stretch. Could be on the inside of your thighs, your groin, your back. For each of us, it's different. So just observe and just imagine or visualize that you're letting go of all the stress. And take a deep breath in, chant one round of Om. Slowly, you're going to come up, roll up. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this video is going to help somebody you know, please share. Namaste.